Peppa Pig. Peppa's first glasses. Peppa, George, and Pedro Pony are playing in the mud. Pedro slips. His glasses fly off. Pedro cannot see well without his glasses. Peppa finds the glasses. She gives them to Pedro. "Why don't you wear glasses?" Peppa asks. "My daddy says I need glasses to see well," Pedro replies. His daddy is an eye doctor. Peppa likes Pedro's glasses. She wants some too. Pedro has an idea. He'll give Peppa an eye test. First, Peppa closes one eye. "What do you see?" Pedro asks. "I can see George," Peppa replies. Pedro tells Peppa to close both eyes. With both eyes closed, Peppa cannot see anything. "You cannot see?" Pedro says. "I think you need glasses." Peppa goes to a real eye doctor for a test. Pedro's daddy, Mr. Pony, is a doctor. "Put these glasses on," Mr. Pony says. Peppa reads the letter on the chart. Then Peppa reads the numbers. "Now I will check your results," Mr. Pony says. While Peppa waits for her results, she tries out glasses with Mummy Pig. Peppa finds a pair of rainbow glasses. "These are funny," Peppa says. Peppa tries on black glasses. "These are too big," she says. Then Peppa finds heart-shaped glasses. "I look fantastic," she says. Mr. Pony returns with the results. "Good news," he says. "Peppa has perfect eyesight." "Does that mean I don't need glasses?" Peppa asks. "Correct," Mr. Pony says. This is not good news for Peppa. She really wants the heart-shaped glasses. Mr. Pony says he has an idea. "Well, you could get sunglasses." Peppa tries on heart-shaped sunglasses. "Fantastic," she says. Peppa wants it to be sunny every day. Then she can always wear her sunglasses. Peppa loves sunglasses. Everyone loves sunglasses.